Good morning, vlog. So today we are going to DOD, Drifters of December, I think it is. So we kind of woke up early to go. Brian is trailering his STI because they're having a little bit of a car meet. So yeah, he got it on the trailer last night and we just broke a strap literally on the way out of Olney. So we're trying to fix that right now. It's kind of cold, so we're hoping that we can get it fixed and we're back on the road soon.
A few moments later.
So we are about 10 minutes from or 20 minutes from the actual event, and we've actually found out that Brian forgot his keys. So Brian, explain what happened.
So this morning we rushed out the house. I grabbed everything, my backpack, my jacket, but I forgot my keys. But look where my car's on. My car's in the trailer, so I can't take it off.
What's up, bro?
How y'all doing?
What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Tranquilo.
Just so gas. What do you gotta say, Raul?
I'm in heaven.
That shit is gas.
A whole 360 entry. Hello, my guy.
Hello, hello. How are you?
You're right here.
you guys just saw, we went on a ride along. One of my internet friends, E36 guy right here.
Fuck yeah, dog. You already know what to do, man.
He is down with it. That thing is vicious. Hoodie.
Hoodie.
A large hoodie.
I'm about to go sit in the truck. I'm cold. I swear to God, I have some E36 curse. Like, I love these cars and they don't love me back. And I'm sick and tired of this bullshit. What the fuck? And then now my mom's not gonna answer my phone and shit. What the
Yeah, your mom was like, yeah, fuck that.
How my mom not answer my phone? What the fuck?
She already knows what's going on. She said.
I need a flat bed.
Yeah.
Alright.
So you need to make sure and tell them that the car is slow. I mean, because when I called last time, they asked me.
Oh,
Yeah,
never mind.
that's my bad.
Just take them through the side. I'm about to move real quick.
So, as you guys know, Raul's car is broken. Luckily, Jesse, the one with this truck, knows someone else
Always fucking broke.
with another truck and a trailer. So,
This bullshit.
he's gonna tow Raul home. I'm gonna move my taco, that way he can get over here. But yeah, for the night.
He's good.
You're good, you're good.
Good. He's good. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Right there. Oh shit.
Well, that worked.
You're good.
Slow. I told you guys didn't need the ramp.
Slow. Alright, you're good.
You're good. All right, let me see it, Raul. This, if you guys don't know, you know, Raul might. I'm not gonna say he is or he isn't, but he's been thinking about it, making his own YouTube channel and building this M50. I've been trying to get him to do it. I told him, I was like, do it, but he's gonna go turbo, right?
Yes, turbo M50 is the goal. Smooth, little 400 horsepower action. Just some basic stuff. Just, you know, upgraded head gasket, spacer, studs, the basic stuff, and just turbo kit extender.
Hell yeah.
Turbo M50.
Hell yeah. I've been telling him to make a channel because I know there's a lot of people that would love to see that. I mean, you know, trying to motivate him to do his own channel.
I want to. We'll see.
Let me see the cams.
Beautiful.
Yeah, doing his guys.
200K miles, and she look brand new.
This man got every part possible in this garage.
No cap, he could build an E36 out of all the parts in here.
Boy, I got what y'all need, bro. I got doors, I got fenders, I got hoods, I got bumpers, I got
Everything you need.
Interior, exterior parts, I got, bro, everything. What y'all? I got a whole parts card.